Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be doing a little hair care for these crochet braids. We are going to be starting off with this Via Naturals oil. To be honest, I picked this up for $1 at my local beauty supply store. I'll leave a link for it in the description bar down below. But this oil is tea tree oil. At the beginning of the video, you all seen all the benefits that come along with using tea tree oil. My hair is very sensitive when it comes to different protective styles. So I love to use tea tree oil. It works wonders for my scalp. And what I'm basically doing is making sure that I am applying this oil to every part that I can actually feel on my scalp. To be very honest, I've had these braids in for about 2 weeks. I try to keep it moisturized because you all know, you don't know where this hair comes from. You don't know, whether or not if you're going to be allergic to it or not. So to me, I feel like the tea tree oil helps with that. But basically, I'm applying the oil to every part. I'm trying to massage it in to where it's not running down my face. Like I said, you guys see me searching for parts because I want to make sure I am applying this oil to every part. My mom did do my install. She installed these crochet braids for me. I have not worn crochet braids in about a few years. This used to be like one of my go-to protective styles. But as soon as I went natural, I feel like I kind of, strayed away from the crochet braids. But overall, this used to be one of my favorite hairstyles. Now, this style of braids, I'm not even sure what the name of them is. My sister actually picked them up for me at my local beauty supply. I do know I have 7 packs in my hair, and I do know that each pack was about $8. But as you all can see, what I just did, I actually massaged that oil into the scalp. I'm actually applying it now to the nape of the neck because that's where my hair gets the driest and the most irritated. And I'm applying it on the strands as well because the strands do touch my face depending on how I'm styling the crochet braids. Now, if you all have not checked out my previous video, which was how I style my crochet braids, we'll leave a link up top so that you guys can check that video out. But yeah, go check that video out after you watch this one. I came up with some cute hairstyles. Anyway, I'm applying this lock sock that I picked up from one of my local trade shows. And this is what I use on my hair at night to protect my crochet braids. I do not just go to bed with them in a ponytail and sleep on my braids as so. I want to make them last for at least 3 weeks. And you want to actually take care of those edges. So I apply some of the oil towards the edges as well. This is pretty much how I care for my crochet braids. I try to oil my scalp at least once or twice a week. And tea tree oil is my go-to.